Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today I'm unboxing a new subscription box. This is from Uncorked Soy Candles. It's a candle of the month club, I guess is what you'd call it. So each month they have a featured scent, and each box is $17. I think they're normally $18. They're on sale right now. And then if you do, the longer you subscribe, the less the price. Swifties in here. I'm also cleaning out my closet, if you cannot tell. It is... oh, it's crazy. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, I'm also cleaning, like spring cleaning in a snowstorm. We're like in the middle of a nor'easter right now, so whatever. Let's just open this up and find out what's in here. Yeah, so reduced price for longer subscriptions. I did say that, haha. My address is on here, so I'm going to try to be real, slick about opening it up. There you go. That's what it looks like when you open it up. It is really well packaged. So here's our little card. Alright, so this is March Candle of the Month. Ooh, Tranquil Escape. Growing anticipation of spring and the uncertainty of the weather, we really needed time to renew. This month's Caribbean teak wood and lavender. I can smell it. It smells really like a calming, like almost like an earthy smell. Will help clear the dull winter air and bring a new light to spring. And then, they have a Spotify playlist. I'm going to embed this into my blog review. If you're interested in the full review, check that out below. I'll link to them. I'll also link to Uncorked Candles. There is, I think, was there a coupon? I don't know. No, it was the dollar off the subscription. Alright, so it's packaged really well. I'm excited because it's teak wood. Usually when you get candles, they're never like what you would pick yourself. I am one of those people that's swooned by, like, unique names. Teak wood. I need to know what teak wood smells like in a candle. So it comes in this really cool bag. If I could open it. Alright. You like how I have my sweaty? Remember New Year, New Me? Oh, that went out the window. Alright. And it is stamped with their emblem. I didn't even notice that before. Alright. So here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, and they use a cork. Oh. So this is an 8-ounce jar candle. Ooh, and it has a wood wick. How cool is that? I love these. Oh, I have to hide them from, like, I have to not hide them, but like put them where my children may not touch them. It smells amazing. I would personally buy this. A lot of candles I get, they smell good, but it's not this is like my scent profile, I guess, my favorites. It's like a very earthy, but not musky. That's not my style. This is like more like a not brighter, but more like invigorating smell. I like this a lot. If you're interested in the full review, check that out below. If you're interested in Uncorked Soy Candles, check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.